Hello everyone, it's your worst nightmare and dream come true. I'm Adrian Hallowell, back with another video for you, and today we're playing The Skin Stapler. This is a indie horror game that seems to be inspired by Puppet Combo's games and the like, although I'm not entirely sure. But that's what the pictures look like. The title screen is incredible, I have to say. Yeah, the vibes look great. We're gonna go ahead and give it a try. Let's get started.
Journal log, February 23rd, 1984. Carrion City. Another night of rot, simmering under busted streetlights and dark alleyways. The streets are soaked in junkie sweat and bad decisions. Every corner consumed with vermin and vice. Every night, I ask myself the same question. How much farther can we fall? And now, we got some freak carving his way through the city. Leaves skin like paper trails. The streets whisper fear and cover-ups. Me? I just whisper. Tuesday. This city's drowning in misery. With everything else for sale, murder was just waiting for its turn. Who am I? The name's Dick. Detective Dick Slater. And I'm the only one keeping the filth from spilling over and drowning this city in its own sin.
Slater, come in. Are you talking to yourself in your cruiser again?
Yes.
I don't owe you an explanation. What do you want?
She's looking for you. Get down to the station.
Fine. Tell him I'm on my way.
Okay, so right off the bat we can see this game has a sense of humor. It's funny because I was gonna say, it sounds like we're doing a Batman impression, and the description of the city sounds like it could be Gotham, to be honest. Carrion City Police Department. Awesome camera shot.
Good old Carrion City PD. Its halls smell of stale coffee and disappointment. Let's see what the chief wants this time.
Alright, here we go. We've got control now. Love the aesthetic so far. Alright, I guess we've got no choice but to go inside.
Hello, Luna. I see they still have you babysitting the front desk.
You're late again, Slater. I was starting to think you fell asleep in your cruiser again.
Harley Quinn?
And yet, here we are.
Some of us don't get to disappear into the night. O'Brien's waiting for you in his office.
Lucky me.
Yeah, well, let me buzz you in. See you around.
Man, this place is disgusting. Look at this place. I know the city's in bad shape, but they could at least take care of the station, you would think. Join the force, Carrion City Police Department. I don't really see why anyone would want to. Not if this is how they keep the place. Love the glow here. I know I already said it, but the vibes in this game are immaculate so far. What's up with you?
You're still chasing Ghost Slater?
Always.
Someone has to.
Yeah, just don't expect me to keep up anymore. I've got a foot in the grave.
It could be worse. Most cops in Carrion City never make it to retirement.
Retirement? With how corrupt this city is? Ugh, I wouldn't be surprised if they kept me on my beat until I kill over in the streets.
A fate we both share, I'm afraid.
It's not too late for you, dick. But me? Well, I'm getting too old for this shit.
There's the line. How are you doing this evening?
Well, look who crawled out of his trench coat. You miss me, Slater?
Not even a little.
Shame. I've got a real thing for men who look like they got nothing left to lose.
That's, a very specific type you have.
Then aim lower.
Your loss. Plenty on me at an air station. Speaking of, I saw a strapping young man headed to the chief's office.
I'm sure you'll get your claws into him sooner or later.
Hopefully sooner than later. If you talk to him, put in a good word for me, yeah?
I'm not your wingman. Get help, Roxy.
Damn. The, camaraderie isn't exactly, high around here, is it? Anyone in here? Indeed. Good evening.
Slater! Sir! Detective Slater! Sir!
I wasn't expecting that voice.
Elmer, you hear any chatter about the stapler?
No, sir. But I was just thinking. If you need backup, or someone to ride along, I've been logging response times, radio codes, crime patterns. I could really help out there.
These streets will chew you up and spit you out. You're a good kid. But your place is here. At the station.
I just don't want to push buttons forever.
You don't want to see what I've seen. Just keep at it, kid. And let me know if you hear anything about this stapler.
Roger that, Mr. Slater. Detective.
Okay, that's a strange man. Alright, let's go see the chief. Oh, we're not the only ones here.
Well, I'll be damned. Nice of you to finally show up, Slater.
If you wanted punctual, you should have hired a watch.
That's a good line.
Who's the kid? He looks too clean for this city.
That's Detective Robbie Knox. Transfer from Rotwood.
Detective Slater, it's an honor. I've read every report you ever wrote. Your work on the Full Mooner Gooner case back in '79 was legendary.
The Full Mooner Gooner?
Yeah. City was edging on total collapse back then. But I put down that freak. For good.
Wait, the city was on the edge of total collapse? So this is not what total collapse looks like?
You saved the city.
Saved? I just delayed the inevitable. Now we've got a new animal stalking these streets.
Which is why you're gonna need help. The stapler's escalating. And you're not chasing him alone.
Excuse me?
Knox is your new partner.
What? You gotta be kidding me, O'Brien. You know I work alone. I can't be wasting time babysitting some new transfer. O'Brien?
Did he fall asleep?
If you could give me a minute, gentlemen. Duty calls.
What is going on? Oh my god.
Ah, that's better. Robbie, why don't you wait by Slater's cruiser? I need to talk to him alone.
Do you eat like that all the time? Do you normally eat with cigarettes in your mouth?
Roger that, Chief.
Listen, Dick. The mayor's so far down my throat about the stapler that I feel like I'm in a Diesel Cox film.
You're killing me, O'Brien.
You don't get a vote on this. He's your new partner. Now get out there and catch me a killer. That's an order.
How'd they make this guy the chief? Alright, I guess. Yes, sir. Where did he go? Oh, there he is. Guess we're partners.
Detective Slater.
Rule 1. You don't try and impress me.
Okay.
Rule 2. If things go bad, you stay behind me.
Got it.
Break either rule, I leave you at the curb.
Understood.
Well, this relationship's off to a great start. The quick fix. Oh boy.
Another beautiful night in Carrion City. And I get to spend it stuffing wieners into buns and regretting my life choices.
Poor guy.
But I don't regret you, baby. My jank wagon deserves nothing but the best. Once I have you fully paid off, I can quit this crappy job and leave this city in my dust. I'll be counting the days until then. Better head inside and start my shift.
Oh, we're totally gonna die. Alright, let's go in. Objective updated. What a name for a serial. Alright, the phone is ringing. Where is it coming from? Right here. Hello?
Get your fix at the Quick Fix. This is Hexy. How can I help you?
I'm sorry, sir, repeat?
Oh, hey boss. Sorry for being a few minutes late. I got stuck in traffic. What? Eric didn't bring in the meat delivery? That means it's been sitting out in the rain all day. It's probably rotten by now.
Ugh. Are you okay, sir?
Are you calling me on the shitter again?
Again?
All right, calm down. I'll grab the meat from the back and make some fresh wieners. Just please stop calling me when you're in the middle of taking a crap.
Yeah. Please. Talk about a shitty boss. Alright, let's go unload some rotten meat, I guess. Is it one of these? Somewhere in here? Oh, there it is.
Does this place ever actually fix anything?
Rotten meat, apparently.
Ah, jeez! You scared the crap out of me, man! What? Fix? I think you missed the joke, dude.
Oh, I love jokes. Especially the ones with a killer punchline.
Oh god, it is a Joker.
Cool. Great talk. You need something, or...
My. I do have an appetite.
Buddy, if you're talking about the hot dogs, they aren't ready yet. Come back in 20 minutes.
The best meals are worth waiting for.
Isn't this guy's face on, like, wanted posters and stuff? How do we not realize who this is?
Just another night with another creep. I hate this city.
Oh yeah, we are so dead. Oh god, there's flies all around it. It's disgusting. Alright, where's the wiener grinder? Let's just... understand. Alright, let's find the grinder. Oh, it's a minigame. This is disgusting. Alright, I guess we stock the stand now. There we go. Well, we got our first customer. Hello, sir. Okay. How do we cook you? Does it tell me when it's done, or? I need a toasted hot dog bun. Okay. I need a toasted hot dog bun. There we go. Untoasted. Okay, please. That's enough of that. Alright. How do we toast you? I gotta say, this is another game that's quite up my alley as far as cozy routine horror goes. Right? Yes. How do I should have the hot dog in my inventory. Right? Guess I better cook another one. Alright. Ketchup and mustard. Relish. And the works. Hot dog container. There we go. Oh, you're just gonna, that's a... Yeah, don't come back, sir. Dear Lord, does everybody in this city eat like a pig? I can see why this guy wants to get out of here. That was, interesting, to say the least. Please be normal. Please be normal. Please be normal. Please be normal. Good evening, ma'am. Alright, she wants a hot dog again. Alright. Let's toast this while it's going. Right. Ketchup and mustard. Relish. The works. And container. Here you go. Please take it and leave. Oh, of course. Cannot be normal. Satisfied? Don't come back. Freak. I think these customers are taking the innuendo of the shop name a little bit too far. Uh-oh. Oh, we are so dead. Hello again, sir. How can I help you?
Hello again. Are you the proprietor of this fine establishment?
Oh boy.
Oh crap. You again? Proprietor? Dude, I don't know what that means. I just work here. Did you come in to get one of those famous quick fix wieners? Well, I do love a nice piece of flesh, but I am in the mood for something a little more unique. Well, if you aren't here for a wiener, what do you want?
Come on, dude.
It seems I'm a little low on supplies. Do you happen to carry any staples? Why do you need staples this late at night?
Dude, that... Oh my god.
Oh, you could say I'm working on a little art project. Whatever, man. It's none of my business. I think we have some on the back shelf over there by the toilet. Ah, perfect. Thank you. I'll be seeing you again real soon.
This guy still doesn't get it, huh? Okay. You just do that then. Oh boy. Great, we have another freak coming to the counter. I've been waiting all day to get my hands on a wiener. Okay, I'll bet you have. Let's serve another weirdo. Alright. Ketchup and mustard. Relish, the works. And container. Here's your disgusting hot dog, and go ahead, eat it like a... Oh boy, here we go. Ay. What is there even to say at this point? Can the skin stapler go after these customers? Please? Alright, let me just go ahead and start it now. Save myself a little time. Hello, sir. Give me a meaty, juicy one. Alright, yeah, whatever. Alright. How are you gonna do it? Let's see. Yeah, that's what I figured. Can one of them just choke, please? What is wrong with these people? Oh my god. Alright, here comes another one. I thought that's what I grabbed. Good evening, ma'am.
Hey, Hexy.
Oh, I know you?
Hey, Shrimp Queen.
It's comfort food. Don't judge me.
No judgment. Better than these wieners I'm selling. You don't want to know what's in them.
You should see some of the stuff I've scraped off the floor at Gutter's End.
Oh, the skin stapler's in the background there.
We are both living the dream, eh? You on your break?
One day we'll get out of this dump. Yeah, I gotta get back soon. How much I owe ya?
Don't worry about it. This one's on me. I'm feeling a little shrimp-athetic tonight.
Oh god, you deserve to die for that one.
Oh, you should be arrested for that one. Thanks, Hexy. I'll see you later.
She's a little kinder to him than I am.
Have a good shift, Blair.
Don't die. Well, I guess we can just keep this here. I don't know if we'll be, serving another one. Okay. Alright, let's just pre-prepare this one, shall we? Whoa. You teleported.
Dude, what the hell is your problem? It seems you're all out of staples. I'm getting pretty sick of your shit. I think you better leave before I make you. Oh, that might be fun. I did see something I liked very much, but it's no longer here. What? I can see this establishment doesn't employ the brightest. But anyways, I'll be on my way, my tattooed friend.
I mean, he's not wrong. Hexy is, not exactly, using all his brain cells.
Yeah. Thanks for shopping at the Quick Fix, I guess, or whatever. By the way, you might want to check out the restroom. The toilet is quite clogged.
Oh god, what did he do? Alright, let's go see what this weirdo did.
Great! That weirdo clogged the shitter! Just what I needed. I'd better grab the plunger.
Toilet unclogging minigame? I knew it. Am I messing up? Huh. No, don't put your hand on the seat.
This stupid thing isn't working.
Oh, it's gonna explode in his face.
What the? What is that sound?
Move your face. I knew it. Oh, this is disgusting. Gutters End Bowling Alley.
Break's pretty much over. I better head inside and talk to Lucas.
I see you over there. Can I, acknowledge this? You doing alright, buddy? Alright, so you have a nice night. Oh great, this place is disgusting too. Wake up.
Look at that. Lucas fell asleep at the register again. Perfect opportunity. Lucas!
Jeez, Blair, what the hell?
That's what you get for sleeping on company time.
I wasn't sleeping, I was just resting my eyes.
And that's what they all say.
You were literally snoring. I could hear you from the front door.
Yeah, it was actually really annoying.
God, who cares? Anyway, we haven't had a customer in hours. This place is dead. I don't know how it stays in business.
With employees like you, I don't either.
I think the owner's using it to launder money.
Honestly, wouldn't shock me. Anyway, I'm about to clock out.
Cool. Let me nuke this cup of nudies, and then you can go pass out somewhere else.
Alright, let's cook. Let's find ourselves a microwave. Can I play this? No, unfortunately. There we are.
I'll come back for this later. I should go tell Lucas he can go. Alright, Lucas, you can get out of here.
Sweet. Thanks, Blair. There are a few things I didn't get a chance to do.
Oh, what? Can't believe I'm getting roped into doing your jobs. What needs to be done?
Told you he was a horrible employee. I knew it the second I looked at him.
We'll call it even for scaring me. One of the ball feeders is jammed with a ball. Can you get it loose? After that, there are a few balls that need polishing and some shoes that need to be deodorized.
You couldn't even polish the balls? It's like the easiest thing to do here.
Listen, Blair, the only balls I'm polishing tonight are mine.
I knew he was gonna go there.
Ugh. Wow, Lucas. Just wow.
Catch you later, Blair.
Alright, what do we do first? Gotta fix the feeder. We just beat it with a hammer? Well, it worked. Whoa. How far did it go?
Holy crap. I'm glad I wasn't standing in front of the feeder. I'd better head behind the counter and polish those balls.
Damn, that thing flew far. Oh god, here he is. Alright, what is it, weirdo?
Hello there. Welcome to Gutter's End.
Well, hello! What a lovely little establishment this is, with an adorable little creature running it.
Ugh.
Creature? Do you want to purchase a lane, or am I gonna have to call the police?
I am here to purchase an experience.
Oh god.
Right. Well, it's $5 a game per lane.
So direct. I like that. Sharp, clean, like a fresh cut.
Thanks. I think.
Let me ask you a question. Have you ever felt like you were wearing a costume you just can't take off?
You mean like my work uniform?
How is everyone this clueless?
Sure, let's call it that.
I don't get paid to answer weird questions. Either buy a lane or get out.
Ah, no need to be a bully, darling. I'll take lane 6, thank you.
Total creep.
I like how he just maintains eye contact the entire time. Let's grab one and get to work. Right, one more. Oh, come on, nothing to say about this?
Alright, time to clean the stinky shoes.
He's just popping up in all kinds of different places, and we have nothing to say about this. Okay.
Sometimes I just love these smelly shoes.
Is there no one normal in this town?
That should do it.
Alright, where is he?
Where did that weirdo go? He didn't even do any bowling. Whatever. Now that he's gone, I can go grab my cup of nudies real fast. eat this back at the register.
Holy shit. Well, I knew it was coming, but I thought he would wait until we were at the register. Are we in front of... Oh, no.
What happened?
What?
Mr. Shrimp, you're supposed to be in my belly.
We don't have time for this, Blair. He'll be back any second.
What are you talking about, Mr. Shrimp?
Blair, I can see him. You gotta get up.
What a silly dream. I can't even feel my body, Mr. Shrimp.
You're doomed, Blair. You hear me? Doomed.
Well, look who's awake. Who are you talking to?
Mr. Shrimp, call 911.
Mr. Shrimp? I see you're suffering the side effects from my little serum. Hallucinations and paralysis, among other things.
That's why I can't move?
Yes, well, you don't have to worry much longer, my dear. It'll all be over soon.
What do you mean?
No, come on. You know what he means.
I require that beautiful skin of yours, my dear. I can't have you screaming and crying while I swim it from your body. I am afraid it's the end of the line for you.
Please, don't.
We are so dead. Well, I was hoping Blair would have survived, but... It, doesn't look like that panned out. I can, see that, Mr. Stapler is quite thorough. Well, it looks like that's it for the Skin Stapler demo. I enjoyed it. It's definitely weird. Definitely weird. I definitely want to check out the full game. It is very reminiscent of Puppet Combo games, but definitely a more overt, raunchy sense of humor. I'm not really sure if it's gonna work for me. I'll have to play the full game to see how it balances out. It's funny, but it does kind of get a little bit much at times, I think. But overall, I did enjoy it. Didn't quite lean into the cozy feel as much as I thought it would. But it's very interesting. And I do love the aesthetic. The aesthetic is really good. I love the art. The music is pretty good. Overall, it does look very promising. Yeah, I'll be interested to check out the full game when it releases. But anyway, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. And as always, stay spellbound.